Okay guys, so this is one of the motor mounts that I wanted to show you. I designed this out in SolidWorks, and then you just save it as an STL file, and you can then import that into your 3D printer and slice it up. Um, I I built one of the Talon quadcopter series, and one of the things that drove me nuts about that was that they used round rods on the motor mounts. So anytime I had a little bit of a rough landing, it would rotate, since instead of being square, it was round. So then you have any little movement is off. So I really wanted to go with square rods, and I really personally like underslung motor mounts. I think they look better. Um, let's see here. Yeah, so the motor would be down in this section right here, and then you have the shaft sticking up through. And the design works out really, really great. You can even, if you want, run the wires through the main body and through your rod, depending on if you use like a solid core or if you use a hollow core. This is just recessed for the screws mounting on the top. I have it running a Turnigy G10 right now, and then this is just a hole for just stabilizing the thing. You can basically run it all the way through, and I can explain why there's not a hole on this side, but the wires shouldn't interfere with that. For printing, it prints. Let's see if I can flip this around. Yeah, it would basically print like this. This would be the bed of your 3D printer, and then it'll print up in layers. Which is why this hole is underneath here. 3D printers don't really like printing out over overhangs, and this is like your major overhanging section. And from what I've experienced, it's not like far enough to cause too much sagging in this area, because this will slump. But I'm really happy with this design. It's really good. I just filleted that to make it a little bit cleaner. But it prints really nicely. It works really, really well. I'm really happy. I don't have my external cam hooked up, so I can't show you it with the motors mounted up. But I also have a version of this set up for a yaw mount, which is really, really nice. So if it's something you guys are interested in, you know, feel free to use it. Just credit me. That's all I'm looking for. You know, this is my original design. You know, I did quite a bit of research, but yeah, and I'm really happy with it. So I would like to give this to kind of the community. Just like I said, credit me, and that would be kind of awesome. So, okay, that's all I wanted to know, or wanted to show you guys.